Welcome back. It's been a long sleep. So the soup there. You have the breadfruit tonight already. Everything will go boil out. Some pacho. What you put tonight there?
Everything we dumpling left tonight.
Coconut. I put some carrot in there too.
Yeah.
Carrots in there.
Everything we dumpling.
Okay.
And this. It's good now. Sit on the scale.
This is the Ital soup, people. Coconut just going right. Welcome back to Jamaica Good Life. Yes, with the Ital soup. So we have breadfruit, we have pacho, we have carrot, we have pumpkin, we have... You're going to put the sweet potato in there too?
No.
Sweet potato?
Yeah.
Everything around in there. You sure you need some more food, kind of look right. It look kind of right. Put some more sweet potato in. Put one more in there, and put some more carrot in there. Give some more body. Alright, at the Ital soup that people. This is Jamaica Good Life, man called Randy. And the man called Vincent. I do it big. You know, right on the house right here. When you come to Jamaica, have no fear. Because Vincent is here. Alright, so we deal with it, people. Take our time, sit there. Yes, the rose and skirt. Take care of yourself. So good, Vincent. Get up on it. While the dumpling next, put a bubble. Breadfruit, everything. Yeah?
Dumpling are going on.
Oh, dumpling time. Alright, so. Everything. Vincent. Jamaica. Right now, this is Randy. Vincent cooked the soup. Let me tell you something. No meat, coconut, breadfruit, carrot, pumpkin, okra, a little bit of cock soup. What else meat tonight? Boy, no more meat for Randy this season here. Me say this soup, it tastes like meat. Dumpling, it look like me. I don't know if we get dumpling to call me. Me say Vincent, when on us, what? Vincent wicked man, you know me try. Vincent, yes sir. I eat up soon. No mind no business sooner or later. Big up Mark, Kevin, you know Jatori, the real boss them. Wake up on yourself. Everybody was there on the show before. It's Bravo, no say nothing, soup nice out the road. I live the good life later. Vincent, you told the restaurant. Listen, this soup tastes like chicken soup. And it is why you're dangerous, you know, Vincent. Look like you take the medal. Tell them when are the soup again. Tell them when are the soup. Carrot.
Pumpkin. Pacho. Irish. Yeah.
No Irish, no, that liar tell because we never buy no Irish. No, sweet pepper. Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Yes,
sweet
sir.
potato.
Yeah. No.
Sweet potato, yam, Irish.
No say Irish again.
Dumpling, carrot, cabbage, pacho.
You put cabbage in it too?
Time and scale. Yeah, man.
No meat.
No meat.
Like a salt.
Breadfruit.
The cock soup.
It don't taste like all sardine.
No.
Nice, man.
Yes, Vincent, yeah. This is
Cock soup.
guys, when you come to Jamaica and stay with Vincent house.
Yeah.
Cock soup.
Real coconut milk.
A 72-year-old. You're the done. You're the done, Vincent. Vincent, me travel the world and eat food, you know. I'm no me not eat meat no more. But this is a regular thing.
Long time I do something like that.
You see, when the money train come, cause the money train at one different stop right now. Me I go load it up with okra. Put out some saltfish in it. Even a piece of mackerel.
Yeah.
Lord God,
Run down the cook.
I run.
Wow, next cook.
So want to cook that next? I'll get some mackerel.
Yeah.
Next time, get some mackerel. I'll give you some money, you get some more banana, and get a piece of mackerel, get a cook, and make we do a rundown tomorrow. But we have things in the fridge, make us finish that first. What do you think we're going to have on the menu tomorrow? But people, sooner nice cheer, they want to come to Jamaica, come see a Vincent house. Vincent, Vincent, you have a washing machine coming out with this. Vincent, you're big. All right. We are going to cook out the food out of the fridge. People, Jamaica good life. Me excited, me happy. We not stack up the fridge yet because the money train not come yet. You see? We have some banana left, tomato, ackee, and we have something left. So what do you think we're going to make tomorrow for breakfast? Cornmeal porridge. We coconut milk. We have no coconut milk? We have to buy one? Alright, buy a coconut. And then buy, so we know the soup will go down tonight because we have to eat all the soup. Soup will go down? No, the soup can't done. We can't eat all the soup that one night. Vincent, eat good enough. You want to bring home some food?
Okay.
I got this for you, man.
Oh.
Yes. One of that is from a gift from me to you.
Yeah.
This is for you, my brother. All right, this is for you. This is for bring your food home. Yes, mate. All right, so now you got that.
Take out some of the soup now.
Use the cover of this.
Yeah,
you never use a cup there.
Yeah, go buy a scoop. We know what it is.
Nobody no scoop yet. Me have things that come, man.
Oh.
The money train are coming now and barrel. Why? See there? Lord Vincent, I say you the people them. Look there, sir. Vincent. What? What a thing. What a thing. When the 2 sevens clash. Vincent, man. Yes. You know, people, you know, I'm always excited for food. I'm a foodie, but I've changed my diet. And with my new chef boss, the chef boss in there, this is Vincent's house. We said Vincent's house. It's an Airbnb. And you guys are going to rent this, come hang out with Vincent. Let me run upstairs and show them no bedroom. So the kitchen downstairs there. You know me, I was excited. We have to go clean up the house and things, gonna have no balcony and thing. This is where you guys are going to be sleep. You and your wife and your husband. Again, the room ready for you. Jamaica good life. I go up the TV and everything. And the AC cool as ever. Look there. The beach 10 minutes away. You're not going to love it. You're going to have fun. 646-330-9150. Running no stop, hype up the thing. So you and your wife will have no problem. It's not too costly like hotels. And you can cook your own food. It's the perfect home away from home. This is Randy for Jamaica Good Life. So the big belly boy there. The belly is going down. People, when I live big in a good life now in a bathroom and everything. And then I can go visit King Baba and everybody. You see me? So people, we say, Montego Bay is up and running. Now we're supposed to be up and running soon. So Montego Bay is ready for you guys to come home. The curtain them nice too, you know. Neighborhood nice. TV there, phone. I'll set up that. So Montego Bay is up and running. Booking the tickets. I'm telling you, say don't plan vacation. The car ready. Everything ready for you to come through and enjoy on a life at Jamaica Good Life. Vacations. Florida and pretty and everything. So I came to set up everything for you guys. You're going to meet King Baba. And in Montego Bay. See him there? See him there eat. How it is?
Nice. Very delicious, you know.
So we're going to stack out the fridge soon. What a sound there. The fridge. Make sure the ice crusher work. People, we eat out of the pot because the plate are not come yet. So, when you have a kitchen, get your family together. This house can fit over 8 people. You're 10 minutes from the beach. Then you have the car ready. And you're going to go to King's Baba and check out King Baba, Patrick Mountain. You see me?
We're going to go to St. Louis, to the
Black River.
the zoo.
You're bringing them to the zoo.
Zoo.
Yeah.
Let's see monkey,
Mhm.
alligator,
Yeah.
lion, all different type of.
And you know where all the beaches around here.
All the beaches there. I know.
So you're the man to go be a tour guide.
Yeah.
So all them have to do a drive.
Just drive.
All right,
I show them everywhere.
All right, people. Jamaica, good life. Mark, big up yourself. Babes, big up on yourself. Randy back on it. Angela Burke, you know it's set already. Randy Nights, my food there. No meat. Living in Jamaica in the good life. All I really want now is a good wife. Shaza no say nothing, Violetta. No Jamaica, me no need no sweater. Good life, happy on the tree. Nice, everything better. See there? Okay, touchable. You see me? I'm full of yard this. Eh? So, that's how we are living. Let me go drink my soup. No meat.
Let me drop
Tell
a
me
book.
about your cooking. Who teach you how to cook?
Mother.
Your mother?
Mother named Celeste McRae. McRae. I'm following and Daryl Esme. Roast breadfruit and a morning of fry it. With a nice rundown with a mackerel. You know? When you don't, you drink pure water. Water good for your body. The more water you drink in a day is the best for you. And you see, in the morning when you wake up, you say a prayer, you boil up some water. You don't put no sugar at all in it. And you just drink it. That water cut off all the thing off of your stomach. But no sugar in it. You know? Just the pure water. Cut off all slime off.
Touch it, Mike.
All things off of your stomach.
You just drink hot water.
Just drink hot water.
How long you drink hot water for?
Long time. I don't drink ice water. I don't drink ice water. Long time I don't drink hot water. Cold water give you cold.
People see the party.
Ice water give you cold. Warm water you drink. Cut off the slime off of your stomach. And your cold bush, jacana bush. That cut with all cold. We recommend that to all the doctor. You can tell the doctor, say, Doc, you go to the doctor and say, me have cold, and he will say, go buy cough syrup and all them kind of stuff. He said, Doc, you know the best thing for cold? Jacana bush. Boil it and drink it. Use honey and mix it. Sugar don't good for you. White flour don't good for you. Cornmeal or wheat flour. Yeah, and vegetable. Just eat vegetable. One banana.
You want more soup?
Them can't take.
We'll get some for you. Keep talking.
Ripe banana, papa, and one ripe banana, one papa, and you blend it up, and drink. That nice here, man. Build your body. You know banana have iron? You can boil banana tea too.
Banana tea?
Yeah.
Just drink the banana water.
No. You cut up the banana
Yeah.
and boil it in the water. And mix it. Tea. You never drink that tea yet?
No, sir.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
This
That good, that
This
good.
soup that will give woman trouble, you know.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
It's a woman trouble soup.
Yeah. Thank you.
The belly are going on, people.
Yeah.
The king is back, the king is back. They think they could have stopped me. Want to the reason of hand and clap me.
Yeah, man.
They cannot stop me. This is Jamaica good life forever. Now we have Vincent. All the past people them we used to be clever. I'm gonna leave you now and lift up like a lever. What them say? They think you could have stopped me. When you stay far and clap me. Yeah man, I'm gonna keep it going. Big up on yourselves, Manchester. You know who's who now, and I know who's not who. And as I move forward on this journey, Vincent, they will never, ever be in my presence again.
No.
The soup nice.
Whoa, man.
People, this is Jamaica Good Life. We're on the 15 years and counting back and forth. The herbal information we must give up important. You know, say one fly coming out of the house, you know? I just one of them. To me.
You have to get the mesh and mesh out, you know? Nice, very nice, man. No.
Maybe we'll go to Manchester and get some yam because yam are too expensive.
Two can't buy yam, man. And it no good. The yam them no good. When me cut it, it black. And the woman tell me about $250 a pound. But he will give me
But
something.
you know, so the Knoxford, you know. You want to know how much the Knoxford to ship to Crocus back. Because the Knoxford can't ship.
What foreign?
Come here, so I'm Antigua here.
Oh.
And the breadfruit, touch it off now. Breadfruit make it nice.
That's good, nice, man.
Anytime you put breadfruit in anything, it's nice.
Yeah, supposed to.
So what kind of ladies you like? What kind of ladies you grew up liking?
Lady. No go up, man.
Let me ask you, your wife. What kind of wife your wife was?
She was a black woman. She can cook too, you know. Yeah, man. But you make it pick in them full and say, Mommy, run out. Oh, you say, me not put her.
So.
She no call me. My son no call me. And me work all my days.
So it hurt you bad?
Yeah,
you
by...
bring it up and open up because this has been hurting you?
Yeah, man, by sending them to school, man. The hard carpenter work and mason work. And me send you to school. And you don't remember me. What kind of wicked thing me do to you now? That's you couldn't remember me.
And your father, you work?
Me not beat you now.
You not touch the wife physically?
No.
Never. You go to church every Sunday?
Not every Sunday. But me's a godly man.
And then the fly.
Saturday, me lie down in my yard and read my Bible and I pray. I'm not supposed to work on Saturday, you know. But shoot things, you understand?
You are 7 days Adventist? Okay.
So I ask Father, say, Father, I know I'm not to work today, you know, but I beg you the day, you know. They achieve something for me, I have nobody else to give me nothing. I'm going to ask you, is the day that we can achieve something? I don't want to go there go beg. I not thief. That is one thing I do, I not steal. Thou shalt not steal.
It looks like you want a new wife now.
Yeah.
A woman who can take care of you.
Yeah, I take care of her too.
Because you're good on the house and thing.
Yeah, man.
You're 72 and you look like, say,
Clean the house, keep it tidy. I'm a washing machine. If my wife sick, I wash her clothes then for her.
Panty too.
Yeah, and I'm a wife.
You have to wash my panty, man.
And look, she can't do nothing. And if you go hire me, can't do it.
You
Throw it in her pan and wash it.
can't make man come here to wash your wife panty.
I'm mad, man.
You know what? No man now wash them wife panty, you know. No man now do it, you know.
All right. Look.
More meat.
No more meat.
We're not supposed to be transformed. Life is good. And I wish everyone well.
Some people reading the Bible, reading the Psalms, reading the Proverbs, Revelation. So me read. Me no watch you. What you wear? I know some can wear it too. You have a car, I don't have none. I don't watch that. Because one day, God will provide. To make fence wall, like concrete wire fence posts. He used to make it for Monimous Sugar Estate at Clarendon. One white man named Mr. Wilkins. First day Mr. Wilkins come and see me and say, Mr. Essen, I'm going to buy you some tool. He buy me one wheelbarrow. He buy me a shovel. He buy me a fork too. And me have those things. He say, anytime the work done, you take it for yourself. Mr. Wilkins say, I'm going to make a wholesome man. Sir. Him have the supervisor name, Mr. The supervisor name.
No worry about supervisor.
Anyway, when him come to check the work, I'm sure him what me make. I have a big yard. And me make it in then. And more me make it in, you know. Then me cast it with cement. Take them out, wet them with water. By water cure them. And the calbut, where you see water running now. Then they give me two of that ammonium to the mole. And me make those things too. But one man did a bad mind. That's why I'm tell you say bad mind people. The man always a bad mind, me, you know. True sister Mr. Wilkins is with me, you know. Bad mind, man. Sometimes come, he want to fall to me thing then. I show me nothing to them, you know. But true, he don't want me hold him money. But he's supposed to dead now. A man there for a long time. And Mr. Wilkins did dead too. Nice white man come from America.
Bad mind. In your life, how do you go through bad mind people? How do you navigate bad mind?
Me just hold my head straight, man. And I watch them, man. One of them keep me alive. If I did you keep my life now, more than have to honor you. Do anything else I'm to do, more than have to do it. But I know you all my life. If me go there now, and me at work, and me say, give me that pay, me work. And when me get paid now, you short up my money. Me left everything here. Me not quarrel there, you know. You say, me charge you for this and you don't want to pay me. Keep it. But I now have a benefit to you for you rob me. You understand? And God says you rob me, so you now have a benefit to you. And walk away for all the money. Yeah. So me and me born. And I grew up, mother dead. Mother dead when me about 9, 10. And me was the biggest one. The other sister then it's small, so I have to take care of them. Mother send me out, buy me, go deliver around the little district, come back, we go to school. Barefoot me go to school. Me have one toy. Every minute to $2. I say, boy, one day I come through a rough road. And one lady there before me, you know. And bam, me buck me too, you know. I cuss one bad one and I realize the lady there before me, you know. Cuss one bad one the way, every minute, you know what I have to do? Take piece of thread and tie around the head of it for them say blind, it too blind. So we don't know it too can blind. I have to tie around the head of it, man. If you start buck me too. Oh dear man, when you buck it too, you know man. I don't know. And next thing again. Me used to milk cow for her, man. Me and Puto. You need to have one cow named Betty. When you milk that the cow there, you know, man. Amount of milk I get from him, you know. And me used to put them up for evening time. Tie the calf them. That's when I get to suck him, mother. That's a morning now, I get enough milk. When I drink a cup of that, the milk. When you just milk a cow, and you drink, you don't put it on fire. You drink it the same way. I rich as milk that. Yeah. I used to work with Master Puto. He's dead now. Years now, Master Puto came. He used to make ice cream. You remember them thing where you're? Yeah. And anyway, the sport there, Master Puto come for me. And me I make 2 buckets of them there. And I sell out. And how much money you believe me I get for that there? Yeah. 5 shillings. 5 shillings. When we go to market with 5 shillings, you know, I hold market I carry one. I hold market I carry one, you know. 1 bread of a shilling, 1 cake of a penny. And you can get half of the cake, the halfpenny. The big bread of it 2 and 6. When I have a pound, and you broke a pound, what if I think in my man? Furniture and something. You know, how much for a pound of flour? Nearly $100. A $50, but call it nearly $100. 1 pound of rice.
So life has been good to you?
We have an uncle named Uncle Jackie. He was a tailor. And he used to make orange juice. And me and him now go around to deliver orange juice. We go a bag walk and we buy the stuff. You know, some box so. And when you go home now, you have a big jug. When you throw it out, you know, with water. You have a big spoon now and mix it around, and put sugar in there. And him buy a thing and seal. We seal the box. It's a little machine. But you carry plug it in and you carry heat. And you just push it under it so and carry it down so. Now drop no. And carry it down so. And you seal. Seal.
He's a real Jamaican.
Yeah.
You used to cut sugar cane too?
No, that's one work I want to do. I would never do that. One of the hardest work. But me burn coal. Used to burn coal. Get me 30 bag of coal. I tell you how much one bag of coal.
So cool.
Alright.
The children know all this stuff?
Yeah, man. One lady night.
About 2 years your kids are not call you or how long?
I'm more than 2 years they not call me now.
So that means that dig you up inside.
Man,
Dig you up.
Yeah.
Dig you up.
I
So
love my family, them man.
you just want them to call you.
Don't care what you do for me. Do me bad, me still love them. Understand? I mean, I go to the road and see a man lick down my family and I'm going out. No? And first thing too, a peace me I cry first.
Yeah.
Me not going on no war. Me come to him and say, oh, I want to tell you on him now. This boy, I say, alright brother, just calm down. And everything you for rush, you know? And you see me come down. And we hear me say, you know? And me say, look you know, trouble not easy. And when you lock behind the bar, at that time I always say, boy, if me didn't know, at time it's late. So sometimes you think before you do things. If me I go, alright, me I cook this pot of soup now. And me I say, boy, I want a nice pot of soup. Me now go throw no whole of water in it. That's when you cook a pure water. Me add my water. One China lady teach me how to cook rice. She named Miss T, God bless her. She said anytime you throw the water in the pot. You see here, so you test it. You just put it in a pan and test it. So long as the water come to here, so you're good to go. Rice cook smooth. Yeah, China lady. My father used to work with them. And then me used to wear short pants and then buy me seaman khaki. Me not see them the khaki again. You know seaman khaki?
How them look?
Seaman khaki man, nice, pretty khaki man. But me not see them the khaki again.
Yeah.
Me used to dress up in my seaman khaki shirt and pants. Yeah. I'm a young man. Me neat. You know, go in there and out, tear up pants and all them something. When me grew up now, you understand me? Yeah, I mean, used to have manners.
You used to have manners, you used to have manners.
Yeah, man, me grew up in a manners, man. Manners me grew up in a.
Trelawney, have you ever been to Trelawney? You never been to Trelawney? Never been to Duncan? Never been to Manchester?
None of them the place.
You never been to Trelawney, Manchester, St. Catherine?
Me I'm going to Spanish Town.
Spanish Town. You never been to Portland? You never been to Portland?
I know Spanish Town. I know Linstead.
You know Linstead, St.
Yeah,
Catherine?
for me I have a sister live at Linstead.
St. Anne's, you been to St. Anne's? Westmoreland?
No, I don't know Westmoreland.
Never been to Negril?
No. I don't know
St.
that.
Mary? You never been to St. Mary?
I mean, I have a good friend live at St. Mary.
Wow.
He used to work on garbage truck at town.
St. Thomas?
You don't know them.
Wow, Vincent. Wow, so there's things in Jamaica you never see. 72 years old.
I mean, never go to those places.
Wow. So you stay mostly at Clarendon
Black River.
and And Black River, St.
That is my hometown.
Wow.
Black River. Born and grow.
You used to catch shrimp and thing.
Yeah, man.
Crab.
Fish.
You
Crab?
cook crab. You cook
Well,
crab.
I've never cooked crab to Mali give you. You lick your finger.
Them sell crab at the market?
No, we used to go catch crab.
Them sell it at the market?
No. Me I real crab time. You know.
Me?
Mm-hmm. But me not eat crab again.
Okay.
No eat those things again.
Okay, strictly
Mm-hmm.
no meat.
When me used to work with the Chinese people then, we used to go get crab, but a sea crab them eat. Yeah, you see them come up out of the sea and we catch them. And then scar them first. Scar them. Then you have a piece of wood, long wood so. And we lick the crab them. Not the back part, you know, the belly part, and lick them. Wash them off. Throw curry upon them. And curry it. You lick your finger, man. Yeah? Curry crab.
Big crab.
Mm-hmm.
We used to catch crab at Spanish Town or St. Catherine somewhere. Our father, the one with the big eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Eyes never come out, you know.
Yeah.
Big shell and the big lamb.
Yes, man.
Not the little one then, the big one then. And we used to, when them live, we used to boil the water and put them in the pot.
You know how we catch them the crab, you know? Tonight everybody a go a crab bush. We buy the kerosene oil, we put two, like the dragon backer there now. We put 2 lime on it. Cut the lime, dry it over it, 2 of them.
You said lime, what?
Lime.
Lime?
Yeah. That keep the backer.
Lime? What
Yeah.
kind of lime?
The lime like what you have
You
in
put
it.
lime over the buckle?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Like you cut out the lime
Yeah.
and just put it over it?
Make it come right down and so you put on 2 or 3.
Lime.
Why you do that? It keep the backer from being broke.
Yeah.
For you have a week down in it where you light.
Wick.
Yeah, the kerosene oil in it.
And you put lime.
And you get your paper now or cloth.
Wick.
Weak.
You're making a wick.
Yeah, and push it down in it.
Yeah.
Then the lime now hold the backer for when the heat catch the backer, it will
Stop.
break it. But the lime stop it.
The actual lime
Yeah,
on top of the wick.
yeah. No man, it go in between a week, man. Cut out a little piece of lime and you force it down over a backer like this. This is a backer. And you force it down over it. 2 or 3 lime. That's when the week, when you light the week, the heat, sometimes the week go way down now. Burn go way down. So you don't bust the backer.
So the lime take the heat.
Yeah. And all 3-4 away, have we crocus bag. And we go, we left yard say about 6 o'clock. For far away up to walk go, you know. And we go and catch the crab. We rest and we come to the yard. When we come to the yard you know, with the crab, we build a cube already, you know. We build a cube already. And we let them out in there. And we bathe them. Throw water in there and wash them off. Give them corn, give them cabbage, mango. Cut up the mango, the green mango, and a little piece, and feed them with it. You see when you bust the woman crab and looking at him, a pure red egg. You know. So when we eat down the crab now, the back of it, we do so. Come butterfat, come butterfat.
What you say?
Come butterfat, come butterfat, come butterfat.
Come butterfat. Oh. Say it take the back of the crab and do that?
Yeah, the Buckeye crab.
I say come butterfat.
Come butterfat, come butter. So when you're looking at it now, you see fat in it, and you eat out it, and you knock it again. Knock it again.
So you make it come out. That's why
Yeah.
you shake it.
Yeah, you knock it, man. Knock it. Knock it by you, yeah, so. Come butterfat, come butterfat, come butterfat. Oh, dear, it's nice, man. Enjoy with dears, man, no time. We did trouble some though, we also trouble people. Some man we have a nickname and yeah, come on now, man. Say, brother what? And you dip on your bicycle, we have to move, you know. Him jump off our bicycle and he catch him a lick. One man didn't have it. See man, we don't back, create a back up on his bicycle. But you can't touch him back, you know, you're afraid of him back, you know. So me say, just run across the road and touch him man in him back. The whole back will stop and broke up. Yeah. Me I go down and bake with to your father now. Me I tell Darrell, you know, for my father name Darrell. Me I go down and bake with to your father. We warn you, you know. Warn you, you know. Me will kill you, no boy. Me will kill you, you know. Never trouble him again. Dead and gone now, bro. Those days, man.
Come butterfat.
Come butterfat. Come butterfat.
When them teach about the red calf, rolling calf, you ever hear about rolling?
I always hear them talk about rolling calf, but them say, he have fire in her eye. When you see him. But we never really book up on him or something. Me hear about mermaid too. We live in a river. One time ago, I one place named Dunbar River. Now in Westmoreland that day, Dunbar River.
I'm not sure.
We go to the river there, so I want to set up with it go. So the brother say, we could go down on the river. We have cut cane, throw the cane in the river, make it cool, and then we eat it. He said, you go down on the river, brother. And I mermaid them, when I mermaid out, you know, I comb in here, you know. As you see, just go down in the water, so. And you see a hole here, you step on the water top, so. Run, go back up. Mermaid. We never see his face neither. Yeah, we witness that. Brother say, come now. We are go up on the hillside now. And I will show you some table, chair, and some other else thing with down in the water. When the man carry up the brother, and we look down in the water, so see chair them and sitting, and they're sitting down in the water bottom, river bottom, and place in a Westmoreland, in Dunbar River. Yeah.
Them house down in the bottom.
And years that me I tell about now, you know. And until there yesterday, years. They tell me a little boy. And the man will go there, will go one dead yard. Then we go back one girl now. They tell me no half to get picnic yet. Book one girl up there. And the girl tell me to come down my yard with him. We go down my yard, man. Me and she in her house. That's me drop asleep in her house. When they're ready to go home, to come home, now they can't find me. When I got a member say, you didn't see me and the girl go down the yard. I come there, lick up the door, and wake me up. And we come home. We never see that girl again neither.
There was a ghost.
No man.
I wanted the mermaid.
No,
The
man.
breadfruit.
Real good, real woman, man. Drop asleep after me and him, man, done sex. Me drop asleep in
What
our
you
house.
now don't do?
Sex.
Oh, okay.
Drop for a girl, they love me, you know. She was to see me come on the setup.
You did, yeah.
She take me on.
You should take her.
And they know me and she go down and carry me down our yard. Drop asleep, brother.
Drop asleep.
When me done.
She knocked you out. I see you knock you out.
Yeah, and then come knock me up and we come home. Yeah.
Which part that was?
Dunbar River, me I
Dunbar
tell you, in
River.
Westmoreland.
Okay.
Dunbar River. River run by roadside. Here is that though, here is that there.
Eat the food, man. Dunbar River.
Yeah.
The mermaid, they know that song. Boy.